What is up, my dudes? Happy Halloween. One sec, last light. Boom. Okay, let me see if this audio is still working. All right, we made it. Wait, how does this look? It looks pretty good. Okay, happy Halloween. As you can tell, we got the Z all dressed up right here. Super awesome. This is like my favorite time of the year, so I thought I would make this Halloween special for you. We're at the winery right now. We're LongshadowRanchWinery. They always let me come over here and film these videos, which is super cool. I'm actually using some of their Halloween stuff, which is even better. Anyways, you guys, I just wanted to jump on here and wish you guys a happy Halloween 2020. We're making it to the end of the year. 2021 is around the corner, and I'm super excited to see what 2021 has for us because 2020 was pretty eventful. I wanted to dress up the Z this year just because I've actually never dressed my cars up for Halloween. I think it's pretty awesome. I wanted to do the Miata, but I thought, you know, the Z would be the best just because might as well. I've made all these videos about the Nissan 350z and, you know, it wasn't too hard. Next year, maybe we'll do the Miata or maybe we'll do both of them. That'd be pretty cool. I'm actually using this as like an update video, so drop a comment down below. If you guys want to see any future videos that you want me to make with the 350z or with the Miata, please go ahead and drop a comment down below because I want you guys to know every single comment that is dropped down below, I literally get a notification on my phone. So I read every single comment. I try my best to reply to every single comment. So drop a comment down below. You know, let me know what you guys want to see. I have a whole bunch of ideas coming up, and I actually had an idea for a future like series. I want to do like, it's called For Sale Friday, and we sit down and we do like 15 or 20-minute video. So it's going to be a little bit longer, pretty much unedited, where we just scroll through like Craigslist or Auto Tempest and we look at like cars and what's for sale and deals and stuff like that, just to see what's out there on the market. I think it would be really fun. It'd be really awesome to be able to like interact with you guys and stuff. So maybe we could make it a live stream or something. Let me know if you guys were interested in like that type of idea because I think it would be pretty fun. Other than that, I got the Miata back. I spent a whole bunch of money. I literally spent $2,000 getting the Miata fixed, you guys. $2,000 because it needed so much. It needed, where do I even begin? It needed a radiator, it needed an alternator, it needed a thermostat, the thermostat housing, it needed a water pump, it needed to do the timing belt because the timing belt, if you guys know anything about the water pump in a Miata, you have to do the timing belt and water pump at the same time, and you have to basically take the whole entire engine apart. So it was like 8 hours of labor just for the water pump and stuff. So I'm gonna do my best to try and do these things next time on my own because it costs way too much money. Honestly, I feel like I could have gotten it done for maybe $500 or $600 in parts because I got a new radiator and everything, an alternator, and like, you know, that stuff adds up. But I mean, the labor was probably more than half of what I spent. So that's just owning a car. If you don't do your own stuff, that can happen pretty easily. But anyways, I got it back. I noticed it was leaking something also, so I took it back to them and I finally got it back like literally yesterday. So I'll be making videos about the Miata. I'm gonna be racing these cars soon. I don't have very many friends, so I'm gonna be looking for someone to drive this car or the Miata for when we race. Hopefully my dad can do it because he's like the only person I know that can drive a manual, or like one of the only people I really know. So how cool. I have to look at this. One sec, let me just step back and look at this for a second. You know, I'm not gonna lie, this turned out like 10 times better than I thought it was going to. I was really worried when I was picking up all of this fabric. The lady was like, wait, you need how much fabric? Like 6 yards? Yes. So now I can use it forever, which is pretty awesome. If you guys ever want to do this to your car, I highly recommend it. It was so easy. I just cut the headlights out and it was done. So that's pretty cool. I freaking love Halloween. And no, I don't have any real pumpkins here, which is kind of insane. I actually didn't carve any pumpkins this year for Halloween. So maybe I'll do that tonight because it is Halloween. So anyways, I'm probably going to end the video here. I've just been rambling about, you know, future stuff. Let me know what you guys want to see. I have a whole bunch of video ideas in the future, so definitely look out for those. I'm kind of messing with my upload schedule here, you know, right now. It was every 3 days and I was kind of thinking maybe every 4 days. holidays just so I don't get burned out. But you know, life happens, and you know, sometimes things come up where I can't edit the videos and stuff like that, so it might take a day later or stuff. So I'm gonna do my best to get these videos out to you guys, but I got a whole bunch of ideas for future stuff. And if you're in the SoCal area and you want to collab, or you want to hang out, or you want to drive the cars around, or go to a car show, or literally do anything together that is car related, or I mean, it doesn't even have to be car related, to be honest. If you're looking for a friend, I will be your friend, and I'm looking for a friend too, so if you want to be mine, that would be awesome. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go ahead and drop a comment down below, let me know who's here. Should we do a Christmas special as well, where we set up the car in like a Christmas theme? Maybe like, you know, Rudolph with like, you know, antlers and like the nose or something with a Christmas tree. Let me know what you guys want to see. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out. Happy Halloween.